When she looks at me, I know the girl she thinks nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside, all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I ever known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows there are the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me live it's true. When I'm in my dark